We also have a little bit going on with the blog. I'm going to open up this blog in a new tab. We'll get to that in a second. But first, all right, so for blog number one's default. Blog number two, we're getting rid of, basically we're getting rid of the card view. So blog one, you see you have the full image here, then a card, there's some padding for the content here. In this one, we're ditching the card, and we want the text to come all the way to the edge here with the image. That's what that's doing, and then we're giving the image a box shadow here. You can see that there. You can adjust that. And then we're giving the border radius here of the 6 pixels that we're trying to match throughout the whole site. And then on the third option here, which is the default blog list, we're doing some margin and padding bottom with a border in between, so you get this nice spacing in between posts with this nice thin border. And we're doing that, except for the last child, we're saying no padding, no on the bottom, no margin, no border. That's why there's not this line underneath this one. It's the last one. We're also setting the width of the image to 100% of the area, and then giving the image the 6 pixel border radius. And then here we dive into our single post. You can see we have quite a bit here going on, so I'll run through this really quick. Adding the 6 pixel border radius to the featured image there. Getting rid of the line, and there is usually a line right here. And in Divi, I don't really care for it, so this line takes care of that for you. And then doing some styling for the H1 right here, turning off the all caps, setting letter spacing to 0, font weight on that. And comments, you don't see them here, but there's some comment styling here. And then if we go back here, this read more link, we're styling that right here with this a more link, all this right here. So here's a background color for that. Right now it's set to black. Here's a hover color for that, which is going to transparent black. So you can change those colors out if you'd like. And that will do it for the blog.